In today's video, we'll show you how to add soundboard sound to Discord server. Start by selecting title of your Discord server. Open server settings by clicking on server name. In the server settings, look for the soundboard option in the side pane. Click on soundboard to access soundboard settings. Within soundboard settings, click on upload sound button. File Explorer window will open. Browse through your files and select sound file you want to add to your Discord soundboard. Click, hold, and drag the side markers to set start and end points of sound. Use play button to preview sound. Give sound name to easily identify it in your soundboard. Click on related emoji option to add an emoji to sound. You can use several emojis. If needed, adjust sound volume using the provided options. Click upload to add sound to your Discord soundboard. If you want to make changes, hover over the sound and select pencil icon to edit. To delete sound, click on the cross icon. To use sound, enter a voice channel on your server. Click on the Open Soundboard button and select desired sound. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.